Explore groundbreaking innovations in transportation like never before. From the rugged Glickenhaus Boot to the futuristic Mercedes-Benz F015, we're diving into cutting-edge vehicles that redefine mobility. Get ready for sleek designs, eco-friendly rides, and game-changing technology. Aircraft SkyDeck. Imagine flying through the skies in style and luxury, with panoramic views of the clouds and sunsets like never before. Welcome to the Aircraft SkyDeck, a revolutionary concept that's transforming the aviation industry. Designed by Windspeed Technologies and Airbus, the SkyDeck is a retractable, glass-enclosed deck that gives passengers an unprecedented view of the sky while flying. It's like having a private observatory 30,000 feet above the Earth. Though still in the conceptual phase, the Aircraft SkyDeck has already captured the attention of aviation enthusiasts and luxury travelers alike. The idea of enjoying a stunning aerial view while cruising at high altitudes has everyone buzzing with excitement. But turning this dream into reality won't be easy. There are technical, safety, and logistical challenges to overcome before the SkyDeck can be brought to life. Despite these hurdles, the Aircraft SkyDeck represents the future of luxury air travel, offering a new way to experience the skies. Ball wheel bike. Imagine replacing traditional bike wheels with basketballs. This is the innovative work of an inventor from Australia. Instead of modifying standard wheels, this unique bike uses basketballs as its wheels. The system is simple yet ingenious. The basketballs are held in special frames equipped with 4 rollers. A small wheel in the rear holder spins the ball when you pedal. This setup makes the bike far more maneuverable than regular models, according to its creator. But that's not all. This bike adds an extra layer of fun. When you're done riding, the basketballs can be removed and used for a quick game. It's a bike and a portable basketball setup all in one. The inventor is already planning a version 2.0 to refine the design further. Some online commenters have even suggested creating a version with bowling balls for an added twist. The ball wheel bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a fun, out-of-the-box idea that brings creativity and practicality together. Would you ride it? Glickenhaus Boot. What makes the Glickenhaus Boot stand out? It's more than just a car. Built by SCG, the Boot is a machine crafted for the toughest challenges in the world of motorsport. SCG doesn't just build cars, they take on legendary races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Their approach is simple yet bold. Design a vehicle that dominates on the track, then adapt it for the road. One of their most iconic creations is the Glickenhaus Boot. Top Gear calls it a spectacular buggy that's as fun to drive as it is powerful. In fact, they've crowned it one of the best cars they've ever tested. The Boot comes in 2 versions, a 2-door model and a larger 4-door version. Both are equipped with an independent suspension system that offers a jaw-dropping 45.7 centimeters of travel on every wheel. That's serious capability for off-road adventures. Powering this beast is a base engine that delivers an impressive 460 horsepower. But if you crave even more performance, SCG offers an upgrade to a 650 horsepower engine. This extra power comes at a premium, bringing the price of the Boot to around $300,000. Every detail of the Glickenhaus Boot is designed to perform. It's not just a car, it's an experience. From tearing up racetracks to tackling rugged trails, the Boot is built to thrill. Stella Vita. The Stella Vita is the world's first self-sustaining solar-powered motorhome. Designed by students from Eindhoven University of Technology in the Netherlands, it redefines sustainable travel. This innovative vehicle is built to let you live and travel entirely off the grid, powered solely by the sun. A large solar panel array on its roof generates enough energy to drive up to 450 miles on a sunny day. It also powers all the onboard amenities, including a kitchen, shower, toilet, and even a TV. When parked, the Stella Vita's roof can be lifted, creating a more spacious and comfortable living area. This clever design maximizes functionality without sacrificing comfort. Although it's still a concept, Stella Vita offers a glimpse into the future of travel. It demonstrates the incredible potential of solar energy to power vehicles and support an off-grid lifestyle. The Stella Vita is more than a motorhome. It's a bold step toward sustainable innovation and a cleaner, greener future for travel. BeTriton introducing the Z-Triton. Meet the Z-Triton, a game-changer for thrill-seekers, nature lovers, and sustainability advocates. Imagine this: a fully electric amphibious camper trike. It easily transforms from a cargo bike to a motorboat, and even a cozy tiny home. Whether you want an adventure on land or a day on the water, the Z-Triton offers emission-free exploration with plenty of fun. Picture yourself drifting off to sleep in a comfy hardtop camper. It's spacious enough for you and your furry friend. You can cook indoors or enjoy a meal outside under the open sky. Imagine watching movies surrounded by the tranquility of nature on a peaceful lake. Or think about exploring hidden treasures on remote islands. The Z-Triton isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's designed to create smiles and unforgettable memories for families, couples, solo travelers, and anyone seeking a wilderness retreat. Hiboy S2. The Hiboy S2 electric scooter with a seat is revolutionizing the way we commute. Whether for daily travel or weekend rides, this scooter offers a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Built with a durable aluminum frame, the Hiboy S2 supports riders up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour. With an impressive range of 17 miles on a single charge, it's ideal for city trips and short journeys. Safety is a top priority with the Hiboy S2. It features a dual braking system for reliable stopping power and 10-inch solid tires that ensure a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. A bright LED display and headlight enhance visibility, day or night, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Convenience is another highlight. The Hiboy S2 is foldable, making it easy to store or carry when needed. This feature is perfect for urban dwellers who need portable and compact transportation. Designed for the modern commuter, the Hiboy S2 combines style, durability, and functionality. It's a dependable and practical choice for anyone looking for a smooth and reliable ride. LiteTrax MuddTrax. The LiteTrax MuddTrax is built to handle any terrain. Whether it's snow, rocky hills, muddy trails, or even swamps and rivers, this amphibious vehicle delivers unmatched versatility. What makes MuddTrax stand out is its ability to adapt. The MTXC model, for example, offers multiple configurations to suit different needs. It can be equipped with an engine of up to 75 horsepower and seat either 2 or 4 passengers. It even features a cargo platform and a heater for those cold winter adventures. With a top speed of 29 km per hour and an impressive ground clearance of 41 centimeters, the MuddTrax is ready to tackle the toughest environments. It's a reliable choice for forest rangers, oil workers, and rescue teams. The price for the LiteTrax MuddTrax is available upon request. Would you take this powerful vehicle on your next off-road adventure? Mercedes-Benz F015. Luxury in motion. The Mercedes-Benz F015 is a groundbreaking autonomous vehicle. It redefines personal mobility. Unveiled at the 2015 Consumer Electronics Show, this futuristic sedan features a sleek design. Inside, it offers spacious, lounge-like interiors. The car has 4 rotating seats, allowing passengers to face each other. This setup encourages interaction among travelers. The F015 is equipped with advanced LED lighting and a suite of cutting-edge technologies. It seamlessly combines comfort and connectivity. This vehicle provides a glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. It emphasizes the importance of relaxation and interaction while on the move. In summary, the Mercedes-Benz F015 represents the future of luxury transportation. It focuses on both style and innovative technology. Mooncool TK Pro. The Mooncool TK Pro is a durable and versatile electric trike built for comfort and performance. Priced at $1,899, it's designed to meet the needs of both commuters and adventurers. Powered by a robust 750-watt motor and a 48-volt 20Ah battery, the TK Pro delivers a range of 45 to 75 miles per charge. Its top speed is capped at a safe 16 miles per hour, making it ideal for stable and controlled rides. The trike features a sturdy aluminum frame and a shock-absorbing fork, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. Safety is a priority, with Star Union hydraulic disc brakes providing reliable stopping power. An upgraded torque sensor adds precision and enhances the riding experience. Comfort is built into the design. The trike comes with a large, cushioned seat complete with a backrest, ensuring maximum support during long rides. It also boasts an impressive load capacity of 450 pounds, making it suitable for carrying groceries, gear, or other essentials. Front and rear baskets add practicality, offering plenty of storage for your daily needs. The digital LCD display keeps you informed about speed, distance, and battery life, adding convenience to every trip. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring the outdoors, the Mooncool TK Pro combines functionality, comfort, and reliability, making it a top choice for electric trikes. Peugeot Metropolis SW. The Peugeot Metropolis SW is a top-tier three-wheel scooter, blending stability, performance, and practicality into one modern design. This French-crafted marvel is priced at $96.99 and offers features that make it a standout choice for urban mobility. One of its key highlights is the spacious storage. It has a 54-liter upper trunk seamlessly integrated with under-seat storage. This space is large enough to hold two full-face helmets, making it ideal for riders who need convenience on the go. The Metropolis SW is built for comfort. It comes equipped with adjustable gas shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth ride through city streets. Safety is a priority too, with features like full LED lighting, ABS, CBS, and an advanced anti-tilting system. Adding to its smart capabilities is the iConnect technology. This intelligent dashboard enhances comfort and security, giving riders an upgraded commuting experience. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 400cc PowerMotion Euro 5 engine. Delivering 35.6 horsepower and 38.1 Newton-meters of torque, it provides smooth and efficient performance, perfect for city commutes. The Peugeot Metropolis SW is not just a scooter, it's a reliable companion for navigating urban life with style, comfort, and innovation. Yingang Citycoco. Introducing the Yingang Citycoco, a high-performance electric scooter designed for urban commuting and leisure rides. With powerful motor options of 2000W or 3000W, it can reach speeds of up to 75 km per hour, making it one of the fastest scooters in its category. The Citycoco features fat tires that enhance stability and comfort, even on rough terrains. Its dual battery system provides an impressive range of up to 80 km on a single charge, ensuring you can ride further without worry. Not only does the Citycoco offer outstanding performance, but it also boasts a sleek design. LED headlights provide visibility, and a comfortable seat ensures a pleasant ride. Ideal for eco-friendly transportation, the Yingang Citycoco allows you to cruise in style without the noise and emissions of traditional scooters. It's perfect for those looking to blend style with sustainability. Experience urban travel like never before with the Yingang Citycoco. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is a game-changing electric vehicle built for efficiency and distance. It offers an impressive range of up to 341 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long journeys. The exterior of the Model 3 is designed with aerodynamics in mind, improving both performance and energy efficiency. Inside, the all-new interior showcases wraparound styling, customizable ambient lighting, and premium materials. These features create a modern and luxurious atmosphere. For a superior driving experience, the Model 3 includes a 17-speaker audio system that delivers exceptional sound quality. Rear passengers also get an 8-inch touchscreen with climate controls and entertainment options, ensuring comfort for everyone. Ventilated seats and wireless charging add even more convenience. The Model 3 takes innovation further with advanced remote access features. These include cabin preconditioning, dog mode, and camp mode, providing comfort and functionality in various situations. Performance is another highlight. With dual-motor all-wheel drive, the Tesla Model 3 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, delivering thrilling speed and handling. Charging is quick and convenient. Tesla's superchargers can add up to 175 miles of range in just 15 minutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time on the road. The Tesla Model 3 is a blend of style, technology, and sustainability, making it a top choice for electric vehicle enthusiasts. Bunch Bike 4. The Bunch Bike 4 is a versatile and family-friendly electric cargo trike, priced at $5,300. It's perfect for transportation and recreation, offering a practical yet fun solution for urban living. At the heart of this trike is a spacious cargo box, made from marine-grade varnished plywood. It seats up to 4 passengers, each with a secure 3-point seatbelt. This makes it ideal for family outings or carrying extra cargo. The lockable benches provide additional secure storage and can be removed when you need more space. Powered by a UL-certified 500-watt DAPU motor and a 48-volt, 12.8 amp-hour LG battery, the Bunch Bike 4 delivers a range of 20 to 30 miles on a single charge. It reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for navigating city streets with ease. Safety and convenience are key features of this trike. It's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, a 7-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur, and an integrated LCD display for easy monitoring. The adjustable handlebars and 350-pound load capacity ensure a comfortable and reliable ride. Whether you're transporting your family, groceries, or anything in between, the Bunch Bike 4 offers a stylish, eco-friendly, and practical way to get around the city.